So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use somebody else's negativity to your advantage. So I heard this great quote recently that mentions dirty waters don't stop plants from growing. So don't let negative words stop your progress. So I'm going to talk about how you can use someone else's negativity to your unique advantage. It seems like everywhere we turn these days, we're constantly being hit with negative energy from other people. But what if I told you that you could actually use that energy to your unique advantage? So I want you to watch this video, grab a pen and a paper, and let's find out how, because there's an ability to do this. There's an ability to use somebody else's negativity to your advantage. So ask yourself, like, how many times have you been in a situation where somebody was trying to bring you down? Maybe it was a colleague at work or a friend who was maybe feeling a little bit jealous, maybe a little envious. Whatever the case may be, you can use that negativity to your unique advantage, and here's how. First thing you have to do is acknowledge the fact that someone else's negativity can actually be a good thing. Now remember, my friends, negativity from somebody else can actually be a catalyst to bring out the best in all of us, especially you who's in the midst of it. Seeing this negativity can prompt us to take positive steps and make changes, which can have an incredibly empowering effect on your life. It's all too easy to become complacent and accept mediocrity in life, but with some external inspiration, we can overcome our insecurities and rise up to meet any challenge. So instead of letting somebody else's opinion weigh us down, use it as motivation to strive to reach even higher goals. You may just surprise yourself with what you're capable of actually achieving. And remember, number two, let their negativity fuel your own positive attitude and determination. Now let me tell you what that means. A positive attitude is an invaluable tool that everyone can draw on during times of difficulty and hardship. Whether it be a personal challenge or a professional obstacle, having the courage to stay positive in the face of criticism and negativity will only make you stronger. So by allowing the negative energy projected onto you to fuel your determination, you can create a powerful force within yourself to accomplish whatever goal your heart desires. So no matter how difficult things may seem to be when faced with negativity, staying true to yourself and maintaining an optimistic outlook may give you the strength and the perseverance needed to reach that level of success that you're looking for. Third thing, my friends, is show them that you're not going to let their negative comments bring you down. This is so important. It can be really tough, I get it, to ignore the negative comments from others. They often create a cloud of maybe doubt or insecurity that can have an immediate impact on our self-confidence. But no matter how tough it might get, do not let these comments bring you down. In order to reach our ambitions, we need to focus on ourselves and remember that only we are in control of our actions and our opinions. So when somebody tries to put us down, remind yourself of your own strength and your determination. After all, no one else is going to do that for you. Believe in yourself and show them that you can rise above their negativity and keep pursuing your dreams. Keep pursuing your goals that you've set for yourself. Next thing, my friends, is use their negativity as a way to build yourself up instead of it letting you tear you down. Seeing ourselves through the eyes of those who are negative can be damaging and make it really hard to stay positive. However, instead of letting their negativity drag us down, we can use those words as an opportunity to empower ourselves and make us even stronger. We may not be able to control what people say about us, but we have the ability to control over how we react to it. So when negative comments come our way, instead of allowing them to define us or bring our self-esteem down, use them as a challenge to rewrite your story and to create a new world for yourself that proves them wrong. Believe in yourself and don't let anyone's feelings towards you define who you really are. Now, everyone has much more strength than they give themselves credit for. Don't be afraid to use yours. So my friends, this is just a great reminder for us, my friends. We've discussed the facts that you should use someone else's negativity as a positive fuel. Let it motivate and let it propel you to success. Draw strengths from their discouragement and don't let them deter you from your path. But most importantly, remember to love and to believe in yourself even when no one else does. All of us go through tough times in our lives, and when people try to stand in our way or make us feel like we can't do something, don't give in to their illusions of failure. Take the negativity and use it for greatness. Remember that with an attitude of positivity, nothing is impossible. Take your negative situation and turn it into a positive lesson. Learn that keeps driving you forward each and every day. Now, with dedication, with hard work, you will reach your goals. And at the end of the day, there's no better feeling than knowing that you are capable of doing absolutely anything if it's what you have set your mind to. So keep that positivity alive in all areas of your life. And remember, my friends, if high performance coaching is something that excites you and you're toward maybe reaching that next level of your success, then schedule your free 1-hour coaching session with me today and reap in the rewards of tomorrow. And in order to do that, just click the link right beside this video, or if you're driving, it will be in the show notes. And I encourage you to hit that link, schedule your free 1-hour session with me, and let's get started.